do battle for the sake of good or for the sake of good government. They are limited by the restrictions either of their faith or of their own intellectual convictions. For example, we are taught by our religion it's a sin to tell a lie and it's a sin to steal. But the enemy, those who are engaged in evil, those who are practitioners of graft and corruption, suffer under no such restrictions. That's why the battle is uneven. The playing field is not level. And you cannot fight graft and corruption by the sheer display or manifestation of good manners and right conduct. Hindi hihinto ang katiwalian sa gobyerno. Ulit sinabi mong paki o kaya nagpasalamat ka. Kailangan ilaban mo talaga. That's why my candidacy in effect posits this proposition to the Filipino people. Are we genuinely sincere about the crusade against graft and corruption? For if so, we need a strong, decisive, and visionary leader.
Nataranta ko doon.